Inequality can be likened to a foot race in which some runners start at the front while others are forced to start midway or even further back. Despite the fact that all of the runners are competing in the same race, those who begin closer to the finish line have a significant advantage over those who begin further back. The runners who begin later must work much harder to catch up to those who begin earlier, and even then, they may not be able to beat the edge that the forerunners had from the start. Why are we talking about a foot race? Well, the foot race portrayed here has some similarities to inequality. Inequality relates to or more unequal statements. This foot race did not offer every runner an equal chance at winning because they all started in different positions. We want to talk about inequalities, and we will be making use of the number line. An inequality is a mathematical statement that relates to or more unequal expressions or terms. Inequalities are frequently represented by inequality symbols like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. These symbols show the relationship between the two values or expressions under consideration. A number can be so close to 2 and not be equal to 2. Therefore, when x is 2, it means it is equal to 2, but when x is less than 2, it means it can be 1.9999 infinitely, but it isn't 2. Guess what? The set of real numbers accommodates this number. This is a typical example of inequalities. So on our number line, if x is greater than 2, it means x can be any number, but it can never be 2 or less than it. It is usually represented with an unshaded circle at 2, with an arrow facing the corresponding side. In this case, the arrow faces the right. If y is less than or equal to minus 1, it means y is less than minus 1 or equal to minus 1. That is, minus 1 is included. This type of inequality is represented with a shaded little circle at minus 1 with an arrow facing left, since these numbers are less than minus 1. So if there are less than 50 girls in a school, can you tell me how many girls are possibly in the school? Join me as we continue to explore the concept of inequality in subsequent lessons. Bye.